Turn white hair to black hair permanently. Hello friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need this ingredient to make this recipe: 1 teaspoon of henna powder, 2 teaspoons of milk, 'Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's time to apply this mixture on your white hair and leave it on for 30 minutes. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe us. We are waiting for your feedback and comments.